What does the red light mean? And do I hold it? Do I hold it right here? Got a lot of lights in here. Hot. Okay. Oh, I gotta pee. Is your inventory feeling a little old? So let's talk about old inventory. This could be inventory that's sitting on your shelves. This could be inventory that you've just had around for a while, which really I think is just the same thing. So what are you going to do about it? An obvious one is you can just sell it at a discount. Pretty basic. Or you could create it with a bundle and sell it with some other products and get it out the door while also selling the things that maybe sell better. What can you do to prevent some of the buildup that you get with old inventory? Well, first off, you can definitely make use of forecasting. If you have an inventory system, there's ways that are pretty easy to forecast what needs you have coming down the line, what is popular. You can run a report and see what's selling, maybe what's slowing down. You can also just run leaner, meaning you're buying less and you're only buying what you need in pretty close to that moment that you need it. The problem with that can be is that you have a stock out. And so when you need to make something or have something to turn around and sell and distribute, you don't have it. Now an inventory solution definitely helps out with that so that you can see what you have on hand and set those auto reorder points so that you have what you need when you need it. Did you know that most of these are not shot in a linear fashion? And now I've spilled something, and there it is, and you'll see it for the rest of the video. Now there's going to be some people that think old inventory is not a big deal. It was here before I got here. Oh, it's fine. We have plenty of shelves. What's wrong with keeping old things around? It still works. It hasn't expired yet. Who cares? It'll sell someday. My wife hasn't kissed me in 20 years. Bottom line, old inventory is kind of a nuisance. It may be expired. It might no longer actually work for your needs, but more than anything, it's a waste of money. So learn from the lessons and the mistakes of the past and try to run a little leaner. Try to only buy really what you need. And if you have an inventory solution, you can really remedy that situation pretty quickly. I'm James. This is Whiteboard Wednesday. The spot's still there.